If Audacity is showing an invalid sample rate error, it usually means Audacity and your audio hardware are set to different speeds. The good news is, this is very easy to fix once you match both settings to the same number. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step so you can get back to recording and editing without the error popping up again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy how-to guides. Let's jump in. First, open Audacity and look at the audio settings. You'll see the project rate setting there. This is the number that controls the sample rate Audacity is using for your project. In most cases, it will be set to either 44,100 Hz or 48,000 Hz. Write that number down or remember it because you're going to match it in your Windows Sound settings. Next, go to your Windows Sound settings. You can do this by right-clicking the speaker icon on your taskbar and choosing Sound Settings. Then select the audio device you are using, whether that is your microphone, headset, or speakers. Once you have the correct device selected, look for the Format option. This is where you can choose the sample rate for that hardware device. Now change the format so it matches the exact Hertz number you saw in Audacity. So if Audacity is set to 44,100 Hz, set your device to 44,100 Hz. If Audacity is set to 48,000 Hz, set your device to 48,000 Hz. The important part is that both sides need to match exactly. If they don't, Audacity may throw the invalid sample rate error, or you may have trouble recording properly. After changing the format, apply the new setting and close the window. Then go back to Audacity and test your microphone or playback again. In many cases, the error will disappear right away once the project rate and hardware format are aligned. If it still doesn't work, double check that you changed the correct audio device and not just the default playback output. Also, make sure any other audio software, drivers, or devices settings are not forcing a different sample rate in the background. But for most users, simply matching the project rate in Audacity with the format in Windows Sound settings solves the issue. So the key fix is simple. Check the project rate in Audacity, find the matching Hertz number, and set your Windows audio device to that exact same value. That synchronization is what keeps Audacity and your hardware working together correctly. If this video helped you fix the Audacity invalid sample rate error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.